Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, January 18th, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, starting the day off, we have the futures up 10 3/4 points at 26.46 per contract. All in all, you can see the futures put a little bit of a high in here right around 7 o'clock in the morning, and they've been drifting slightly lower ever since. So we'll see what we get once the opening bell rings. But again, right now we still have about 45 minutes before that happens. So we'll see where we are. But we have lots of stocks in the news. Earnings season just getting underway this week. Let's start off with the big one here. It's going to be NFLX, NFLX. Stock was priced for perfection last night with the recent run up. And again, it pulled back nicely. So stock closed at 253.37, now trading at 346.10. So we're going to be watching this closely. The stock has a lot of support right around the 330, 333 level. If it does get down there, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll be looking at this one throughout the session in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial. Come join us there. We're having a pretty good 2019 so far as things get underway, but we've had a great 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going. Next up, we want to take a look at American Express. Ticker symbol is AXP. Stock is trading at 97.20, closed at 99.51. So this is a nice haircut for AXP. I'm going to try to have some levels ready to go in the intraday stock chat room. I see several already, so this could be in play this morning for us, and we'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. But if this does dip a little bit, American Express will be a play today. Next up, we have VF Corp. VFC is the ticker symbol there. This is the maker of Vans and a bunch of other apparel makers. Stock right now is trading at 79.20, closed at 73.29. So great uptick there. I happen to think it's a bit overbought already. If it gets to around the 83.25, 83.5 level, I think it's a short trade there. When you look at the daily chart, that's going to be these moving averages up here with that pivot. That should provide a ton of resistance if we see it up there. Not sure it's going to get that high, but if it does, we'll be looking at it right now. Again, the stock is trading at 79.20. Briefly got close to the 81 level. So again, if it gets up to that 83.5 level, I think it's a nice short day trade. Let's take a look at SLB. This is Schlumberger. Nice little pop there. Stock closed yesterday at 41.37, now trading at 42.60. This is a pretty good little uptick there. Very good resistance today around 45.75. So keep that on the radar. Very, very good resistance there at that level. Next up, we want to take a look at Tesla. Tesla in the news today. It looks like they're going to reduce their workforce. Came out with a revised outlook. Right now, the stock is trading at 327.20, closed at 347.30. So very, very good morning haircut for Tesla this morning. Again, I'm not seeing anything right now that I love in the stock. If it got down to 315 or so, I may look at it there for a quick bounce play. But again, we got to look at this one once the opening bell rings, see all the different variables that are in play here. Let's take a look at ticker symbol TEAM. This is really catching a nice bid today. Closed at 93.01, trading at $100 a share now. Briefly went up to 103 yesterday after the closing bell when the earnings were reported. But good little pop there. We'll see how this plays out. Again, it's getting a little bit long in the tooth, but the chart is still very, very strong. So if you own this one, trail the stop loss. I don't really see any major problem yet. Let's take a look at Gamestop. This looks like there's some news out. I don't know if it was earnings or if it was just outlook. Stock right now trading at 16.44, closed at 15.76. So good little pop there for GameStop. Again, a lot of resistance in play at around the $17 level, so just be aware of that. Next up, want to take a look at Regions Financial, ticker symbol RF. Stock is getting hit a little bit. I have this on my radar for a potential day trade today, so we'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. Right now, the stock is trading at $15.20 a share. It closed at $15.60, so you got a nice little 40-cent pullback. Did trade briefly down to $15, but I will have some levels ready to go if it does fall further. Next up, I want to take a look at Kansas City Southern. This is a railroad stock. KSU is the ticker symbol. This is not doing anything in the pre-market, but keep it on the radar today. It will probably be in play at some point, but they did report earnings. Let's take a look at Progress Software. I believe that's PRGS is the ticker symbol there. Stock is trading at $32.50, closed at $36.16. So pretty good little haircut. Level I have for you here is going to be right at $28. Might be $28.10, but that's a level where I would be interested in this name and I would look to get involved in it. So again, keep that on the radar today. If it gets down to that $28 area, I think there's a play there. Let's take a look at Tiffany's. I think they had earnings or comps. I'm not sure. I can't remember now. Stock is getting a good pop, though. Closed at 85.25. Now trading at 87.52. So this might have some more legs. We'll look at this one once the opening bell rings. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold today trading down $9.50. Pretty good little haircut for the gold market. Let's take a look at GLD. And you're going to see that's trading at 121.29. GLD is a good ETF. Track the movement in gold. But gold futures right now trading at 1282.70. So pretty good little sell-off there for gold this morning. Crude oil, on the other hand, is upticking. Crude trading up 62 cents to $52.69 a barrel. Take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the movement in crude. That's trading at $11.11. That closed at 11.02 yesterday. So there you have it. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. We'll see what we get today. Should have some good morning action. Again, if you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You can trade right alongside of us. Have a wonderful trading session, everybody, and we will see you all on the charts.